OddityRC ECHO5 Installation Guide. Preparation. OddityRC ECHO5 Frame, FEC Stack, DJI-O4 Pro, motors, and the receiver. Assemble the frame. Step 1. Assemble the center plate and the bottom plate. Center plate nut face up, V-shaped forward. Bottom plate center sink face up. Use 2 M3/8mm screws. Tighten from bottom plate bottom up. Step 2. Install the frame arm. The frame arm rests against the center plate. The center plate V-shaped facing forward coincides with the center plate. Use 4 cubic meters 13mm screws and plus titanium gaskets. Fix from the bottom plate through the middle plate of the arm. Step 3. Install the aluminum nose parts and aluminum posts column. Fix the aluminum part of nose with 2 M3/6mm screws. Silver edge facing out. There are also 4 22mm aluminum columns in the middle, and 2 30mm aluminum columns at the tail. Fix with M3/6 screws respectively. Step 4. Install the frame of FEC stack screws. Step 5. Installation VTX. First, fix the camera on the silicone pad. Fix the camera with 4 M-6 screws. Finally, use 4 M-5 screws. Fix the VTX to the tail of the frame. Be careful not to screw through the VTX. Step 6. Install the motors. Align the motor hole with the arm hole. Secure with the M3 screws included with the motor. The remaining 3 identical operations are enough. You can also choose to install the frame floor mat first, and then the motors. Step 7. Install the vertical pipe. Arrange the motor wires through the pipe. Then tear off the glue at the bottom of the vertical pipe. Follow the same steps for the remaining 3 pipes. Step 8. To weld the capacitor and the motors, pay attention to insulation for capacitor pins. Pass the capacitor pin through the ESC hole from the bottom, then bend the capacitor pins. If it is inconvenient, the capacitors can be arranged as shown in the diagram. Then solder the capacitor pin to the ESC firmly. Make the capacitor parallel to the ESC. Pre-tin each motor pad to put into the capacitor compartment. Note that the motor cable wiring must be determined first, then cut the appropriate length. Otherwise, the side cover may not be installed. Step 9. Fix the receiver with the power cord. Pass the receiver through the print. Then plug the power cord into the middle of the print piece. Make sure the positive and negative ends match the pads. And wear the antenna. Then the print is fixed to the tail aluminum column. And install the image VTX antenna. Finally, use M-8 screws to the receiver is fixed on the VTX hole. Step 10. Cut and weld the power cord. Cut the power cord to the right length and wrap it. Then tin is plated and solder to the pad. Step 11. Welding Type-C extension wire. First, pre-tin the corresponding pad of the flight control, then weld separately according to the line sequence. Step 12. Install the FC and connect the ESC to the receiver. Install the FC above the ESC, then connect the receiver power strip to the FC. Finally, screw on the flying tower fixing screw. Step 13. Welding VTX. First, pre-tin the corresponding pad of the FC. Then solder the corresponding pads according to the wiring sequence of the VTX. Step 14. Install the side cover. Distinguish left and right through the side cover logo, fixed with 3 aluminum pillars on one side. Step 15. Install the upper plate. Pass the extension cable through the upper plate opening. Tighten with M2 flathead self-tapping screws. Put in the black gasket and screw it on the upper plate. Multiply the GoPro seat through the M3x10 screws. Fix the upper plate with 6 M3/6 screws. Step 16. Install anti-skid stickers and battery straps. Install the trim. Then stick the anti-skid pad on the corresponding groove of the upper plate. Battery straps passed through side cover for installation. Finally, install the foot pads.